Open the Tasonic Mobile App. Tap the Get Started button if you are new, or select the existing customer option. You can sign in using your email or phone number. We also allow easy login or sign up using Facebook, Google, or Apple. If you are new, a 6-digit code will be sent to the email or phone number you are using to sign up. You will enter it in the mobile app and continue. In this example, we will just log in. Once you are in, click the Send Top Up button. You can either select a contact from your contact list or enter a number in the next tab and select a country. You will be presented with some top-up options based on the operator. You can send regular top-up recharge, data bundles, and view promotions. For this example, we will send a normal top-up. You can enter a custom amount for some operators, or just tap one from the list here. Review your order. You can add a personalized message to your order for free that will be sent to the receiver. Tap Proceed to Payment. Confirm the order and select a payment method. We will use a new credit card in this example. Enter the required details and proceed. If everything is okay, you will reach this success page. You can view your receipt and share it with your recipient. That's it. We keep you connected.